A time traveler's journey begins. Good day, travelers. I come from a time far beyond your own, where the world of computers has evolved in a ways you can't yet imagine. I have traveled through the ages, witnessing the transformation of a machine that once filled entire rooms to the sleek, powerful devices you now hold in your hands. But how did we get here? How did the world of computers change so distractly? From the very first machines to the cutting edge technology of today. Come with me on a journey as take you through time to explore the revolutionary advancement, the shape of computers of the future, and perhaps that once yet to come. Wow! We're in the 1940s and 1950s. Computers were massive machines. The ENIAC weighed tons, used immense power, and was limited to military and scientific purposes. Slow, expensive, and far from today's standards. Fast forward to the 1970s and 1980s, and computers become smaller and more affordable. The Apple II and IBM PC changed the game. Computers essential for homes and businesses. Wow! Computers have come a long way, from massive machines that filled entire rooms to more compact and powerful devices we see today. From the 2000s up to now, the evolution has been incredible. It's amazing how far computers have come, and there's no limit to where technologies can take us. Let's keep exploring the future together. Thank you for your joining me on this journey. See you to the next one.